Chances are you'll never have a water catastrophe like a burst pipe in your home. But if you do, you can't afford to waste precious minutes searching for the main water shutoff valve. That's why it's crucial for every homeowner to know where this valve is and how to shut it off. The first thing you need to do is find your water meter, because the main water shutoff valve is usually close to it. Now, where the meter is located can vary. In colder regions, where pipes could freeze in the winter, the water line usually enters through the floor of the foundation. Locate the line entering your home. Follow that line and you'll find the water meter. Keep following it and you'll see the shutoff valve. To stop the flow of water, turn the valve clockwise. In warmer climates, the shutoff valve is likely just outside the house and near an outside faucet. In newer homes, you'll find a valve that looks like this. To turn off the water, move the valve handle to a horizontal position. Older homes may have a valve like this. To turn off the water, turn the valve clockwise until it stops. If it's more convenient, you can have an inside shutoff valve installed. It might save you time and money in the event of a burst pipe. Because there's no standard location for main water shutoff valves, you may have to do a little searching to find yours. Once you find it, make sure everyone in your family knows where it is. If you need help finding your water shutoff, give us a call. We'll be happy to locate it and apply a tag like this, so you'll be able to remember where it is.